Hello, my name is Andy Saylor, and I'm here to talk to you about AssignHub.com. So AssignHub is a platform for computer science course management. It's centered around the ability of instructors to share, use, and modify each other's assignments. Our hope is that this helps to reduce the duplicated effort that's put into everyone trying to create the same assignment and helps to ensure that people with the best assignments can see them used beyond their own classes. So we're going to go ahead and take us through a quick demo of how AssignHub.com works. We'll start by logging in as an instructor. So as we can see, this instructor has a number of courses already loaded into AssignHub, and each course has a number of assignments associated with it. We're going to concern ourselves with the CS 101 course here, and we're going to start by adding a new assignment to the course. So when you add an assignment in AssignHub, you have two options. You can either upload an assignment from your computer, or better yet, you can search other people's assignments who have already uploaded them. We hope that you use the search functionality because this avoids you having to write your own assignment. This is an intro computer science course, so we just want a basic data structures assignment. When we search for an assignment, you can see here the list of assignments that match our search query. Each one has a rating associated with it. AssignHub allows you to vote assignments up and down, make it easier for you to find the one that people consider to be the best. So this one up here at the top, Intro to Data Structures, we're going to go ahead and look at the details. That looks just fine. We're going to go ahead and fork this assignment, and by forking it, we are going to get a copy of it added to our course, so we can see that assignment showing up here. So before we deploy this assignment to students, which will allow them to start working on it, we're going to go ahead and make a few modifications to the assignment. AssignHub uses the Git version control system in order to sync files between your local machine and the website. So if we start by looking at the instructor's terminal here, we can see that he has folders or repositories for each of his classes. So we're going to go to the CS 101, and we'll see here that we have the two original assignments, but not the newest one we added. So we need to go ahead and update to the newest one, so the commands are the same as they would be in a regular Git terminal. We'll go ahead and pull that latest assignment. Now we can see it's here. So this was originally someone else's assignment. So before I push it to my students, I want to make a few changes to it. I'm going to need to change the due date here. And I also want to make sure there aren't any changes I need to make to the supporting files we're providing to help students get started. Yep. And we're going to need to change this. This is no longer 2270. I am now using this for CS 101. So I've made my changes. I'm now going to go ahead and save them. And I'm going to go ahead and sync them back up with the AssignHub site. So if we go back to the AssignHub site here, we can actually view our changes by looking at the graph for the assignment. As we can see, we've made some changes and diverged from the original assignment. I think I'm all ready to deploy this now, so I'm going to go ahead and hit deploy. It's warning me I'm missing my due date, but that's fine. I want to deploy it to my students anyway. So now it's available to all the students and they can start working on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. If I log out as the professor and if I log back in using a student account, as we can see, this student is enrolled in our CS 101 course. It's telling us that we have a new assignment, and we can see the new assignment here. So if I want to start working on this assignment, just like we did with the professor, the student can basically access a local copy using Git. So we'll see the students enrolled in these two courses. Go to the CS 101 course. Just like before, that new assignment hasn't been updated here yet, so we need to go ahead and do a poll to get the latest versions. And now if we take a look, we'll go ahead and see that new assignment's here. I could go into it and I could now start working on it as a student. And because we're using Git for the backend, to turn in this assignment when I'm done, I just need to basically commit and push all my latest changes. That'll automatically push them back up to the AssignHub site where my instructor can either look at them or can grade them directly. AssignHub provides tools to set up auto hooks for grading, to do automatic grading and things like that. But it's very easy to get assignments on and off it. You don't have to resort to zipping things up, emailing them back and forth, uploading big zip files, anything like that. AssignHub is still in prototype. We are hoping to have a public beta available soon. If you're interested in joining the public beta, please visit AssignHub.com. There's an email sign up there. We'd love to hear your thoughts and get you on the list. Thank you very much.